Where has he been? He just disappeared. Where the fuck did he go? I've been driving. Now that the house deal is done, it's mine. So we made a few runs back to the old place to get things for the new place. This is not some of that stuff. This is stuff that's going away. Left over from previous owner. The rest, however, from here on is my shit. Lots to organize. Wood stove to hook up today. My bench is a mess. I have tools to sort and all kinds of... As you see, there's a few machines here to fill my winter madness. So that's it. Didn't mean to be MIA for a long time, but it's been busy. House closing, details, and all of that, and trying to get set up. And then I got to get going in the shop. Shop brings another topic to mind. I have ideas on that I'll try to condense and put in a simple way to convey to you, and then I'll ask for your opinion. So maybe the next video. Today I gotta do stuff in here and get ready. Jake's coming, and potentially we're gonna get that wood stove hooked up today, so I'll have heat in the shop. So first machine on the lift can be addressed. And then we move on to other things. So I'll be busy for a little while. I'll catch up with you again later on. Thank you. Bye for now.